We have a Ford Fusion here today in need of a headlight restoration. You will see that the passenger side, not so bad, but it definitely needed work. But the driver's side is a lot worse. It's a mess, actually. It was pretty bad on the driver's side. Wait till you see what we did. It's gonna look awesome. There you go, look at this, like brand new, and the other one's like brand new. Broward Headlight Restoration.com. We come to you. Just call or text us your pictures at 754-302-0769. We are mobile. We come to your home or office. It's located in Broward, Palm Beach counties, and Miami-Dade. Give us a call today. Thank you.